Abebyamagara omu disitulikiti ya Kyenjojo nibenda ngu abanyadini bahije abantu ba burijo kongera kukozesa amarwariro okutunga obujanjabi n'obuhabuzi bw'abashaho kandi eki bakikore omu bwere.
This week we've been in this region of Rwenzori region where we started our work in 2017, but we'll be covering 31 districts so far where we've trained those interfaith religious leaders to read through and refresh them on sexual reproductive health.
And we feel the religious leaders need to really take up a step to ensure that all children who are born are planned for. Death is happening in many rural areas where they cannot reach the health facility in time. As faith actors, we are committed to ensuring that the health message reaches everyone through our religious spaces, platforms.
Ekindi tujja kuteeka amaanyi mu kalembezi b'amadini agatalagamu kutwalirizeemu n'ayita Obusiraamu kugira ngu twayambaho gavumenti mu kukunga abazaire kugira nti batwaraga abaana baabo kubagema.
Orikwebembera ekitongole kya Faith of Family Health Initiative nagira ngu wayejunisa abanyadini okuburira na munonga enjiri ekwatine eby'amagara n'ekyendeza amabaro gw'abaishiki abarikutwara bakiri bato abo kucundiza nikoreka ngu kuyabatandika kukikora na munonga abanyadini okugamba bikwatine eby'amagara abaishiki abarikutwara enda barugira bucweka 20 baza ari 17.
Very, very important to fight against the high and increasing teenage pregnancy in our country. Here, they are actually doing well, even when they've not reached where we are supposed to be.
Lero ekindi ekizibu ekitwine abakazi abingi tibakumakozesa family planning. Abashaija mbabata pressure oshanga bakubagambira ngu bo tibakwenda baza family planning kuba nanafu oshanga omushaija ari kufuata kwango za family planning buri zakorebo inenda.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Daniel Vingana.